please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
In a narration found in Sunan Abu Darwood, number 4873, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that the person who acts two-faced in this world will have two tongues of fire on Judgment Day. Being two-faced is when a person says one thing to someone in order to make them happy, and then says the opposite thing to another person in order to make them happy as well. They behave like this because they want something from other people, such as their friendship, and because of this, they lie in order to please everyone. A Muslim should never act like this. It does not mean a Muslim should upset people, but it means a Muslim should speak the truth, and what is good, or they should be silent. They should not change their words, or behavior, in order to please different types of people. This person will end up with no friends, when people find out the truth about them, which they always do. And this person will suffer in the next world also. So it is best to always be honest.